Society for Environment Protection and Sustainable Development Lingba Chairman Jongka Buba WN Takar Kalapan Pao yak jingïasoi yak public hearing jongka SHREE Cement Pvt Ltd Kaplapu Balong hakalai puitrik naitung arajar apun rio.
At the very outset, I would like to take this opportunity to share my views and opinion on behalf of the Society for Environment Protection and Sustainable Development pertaining to the proposed public hearing conducted by the SHREE Cement Company on the 31st July 2026 at Elekan Nongkli, East Jingïasoi District. On behalf of the Society for Environment Protection and Sustainable Development, as a chairman, I would like to express and extend our support to the public hearing which will be held on 31st of this month. On the basis of facts and circumstances, we have witnessed in Jingïasoi region there are so many companies, cement companies, which has been established for the last decades, and we also found out that through this establishment of such cement factories, we witness so many development like job opportunities and similar development activities provided by these cement companies, and also through the setting up of cement companies, the government also in return earn revenue through the so many royalties, mineral royalties, and so on and so forth. So when it comes to the preservation and protection of the environment, the government, be it the central government through the Ministry of Forest and Environment, Climate Change, or be it the State Forest Department, they have formulated the rules and regulation that all these companies, they have to strictly follow the rules and regulation or the environmental norms to be followed, be it the Factory Act 1948, be it with the Environment Protection Act 1986. And pertaining to the protection of environment, the government has formulated the so-called District Mineral Foundation Fund, that each company have to contribute certain percentage to the mineral fund for the restoration and protection of environment. So if we would like to share to the public that we should not panic regarding or pertaining to the destruction of environment, because the government has already formulated the rules and regulation that the certain percentage have been fixed by the government for the restoration and protection of environment.